The amazing benefits of cloves. If you thought cloves were just about adding flavor to your gingerbread or spicing up your favorite curry, think again. These tiny buds come with a surprising array of health benefits that might just make them your new kitchen superheroes. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1. Antioxidant magic. Cloves aren't just flavorful, they're warriors against oxidative stress. Thanks to antioxidants, especially a compound called eugenol, cloves help combat the cellular damage caused by free radicals. It's like a flavorful shield for your body. Number 2. Bacteria's worst enemy. Cloves don't just add taste, they're also excellent bacteria busters. Clove essential oil has shown its prowess by knocking out common bacteria strains, including the notorious E. coli. The antibacterial power extends to oral health, potentially reducing gum disease and plaque. Who knew cloves could be heroes for your teeth? Number 3. Balancing blood sugar. Cloves could play a part in the delicate dance of blood sugar balance. Research indicates that clove extract might help moderate blood sugar spikes, boost insulin secretion, and improve insulin function. While it's not a substitute for a healthy diet, adding cloves could be a tasty strategy for managing blood sugar. Number 4. Packed with a punch of nutrients. Despite their small size, cloves bring more than just taste to the table. They're a source of manganese, fiber, and a hint of vitamin K, supporting brain function and bone health. While they're not nutritional powerhouses, every dash adds a little boost to your nutrient intake. Number 5. Boosting bones. For those worried about bone health, cloves might be a surprising ally. Animal studies show that clove extract, rich in eugenol, improves bone density and strength, suggesting a positive impact on osteoporosis markers. Plus, the manganese in cloves is a bone formation superhero. It's early days, but cloves might just be bone health boosters. Number 6. Potential cancer fighters. Early studies hint that cloves might have a protective role against cancer. Test tube experiments show promise in inhibiting tumor growth and inducing cell death, particularly in esophageal and cervical cancers. While it's exciting, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Number 7. Comfort for stomach ulcers. Early findings hint that cloves could be comforting for stomach ulcers. In animal studies, clove essential oil increased the production of gastric mucus, acting as a protective barrier against digestive acids. Clove extract also showed effects similar to anti-ulcer medications. While it's not a conclusive green light, it's a promising yellow. Number 8. Cheers to liver health. Your liver might just appreciate a sprinkle of cloves. Studies suggest that eugenol, the superstar compound in cloves, could improve liver function, reduce inflammation, and tackle oxidative stress. While we're in the early stages of understanding this, it's a promising hint at cloves' potential for liver health. To make the most of cloves, consider adding them to your meals a few times a week. Ground cloves can spice up desserts, curries, or chutneys, while a simmering cup of clove tea might just be the comfort you need. Remember, like all good things, moderation is key to avoid any unwanted effects. Cloves, beyond their aromatic charm, bring a bundle of potential health benefits to your kitchen. They're not a magical cure-all, but as part of a balanced and healthy diet, they add a dash of well-being to your culinary journey. So, let your taste buds savor the goodness of cloves, knowing that each sprinkle comes with a side of health. And there you have it, a feast of knowledge on the amazing benefits of cloves. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more nutritious tips and tasty insights into the world of healthful living. Remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. So let's keep the conversation going. Drop your questions, thoughts, or your go-to nutritious recipes in the comments below. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite of our content. Share this video with friends and family, because, hey, good health is always better when shared. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful adventure. Until next time, keep nourishing your body, mind, and soul. Stay healthy, stay happy. I truly understand how crucial it is to maintain good health, and I'm here to help you achieve that. I have created another video especially for you, so that you can have access to even more valuable nutritional content. Watch this next video here.